days ago, I get a notification that UPS has scheduled delivery to my humble abode. And I was like, I don't remember ordering anything. And then I saw who it was from, and I thought, well, that's pretty cool, but I have no idea what this guy said to me, and I didn't order anything from him. I don't even know if he sells stuff, but Glenn Lever is a sub to my channel, and he started his own channel and was asking me for some advice, which is kind of scary, really. But he was asking me some advice on how to do editing and stuff like that. And I know just enough to keep me in trouble. I don't know a lot, but I know that I don't know a lot. But anyway, he sent me this. I have no idea what it is, and we're going to find out together. Shall we? I've obscured my address and Glenn's address, but this is all you really need to know. United States of America. Hell yeah, I put that there. Hell yeah. So let's see what's in this box. I'll open it from this side. Seems like, there we go. Sorry for my elbow. So excited. What is this? I know what this is. Wait, there's a letter. Let's grab a chair. Glenn and Ann Lever. The lever or lever? Sir, somehow I ended up with two of these. It is too cheap to resell and too good to dispose of. Use it in good health. Glenn Lever. I'm sure I'll manage to wreck it. That's cool. Thanks, Glenn. I appreciate that. Wish you'd have been like a month earlier, for crying out loud. I could have used that. For those of you who don't know what this is an engine leveler, and you'd hook this into your engine hoist, right? Like that engine hoist, you know. Put the hook in here, and this is the handle. It goes on the crank here. This goes out here like so. I'll set it up in a minute. And then you've got these spots where you can hang these chains through, right? Right, so you got two of them here. There's one for the front and one for the back. And then you mount one chain to the front of the engine and one chain to the back of the engine. You got a handle on here, and watch. Little threaded rod in there, right? And this thing moves back and forth across this channel and allows you to level the engine, changes the center of gravity on the engine as you're putting it into a car. I've always wanted one of those. Thanks. And again, I'm blown away by the generosity of the YouTube community. I've got the most awesome subscribers on the planet. Thanks, Glenn, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I don't know how I'll be able to return the favor, Glenn. I'm not a wealthy man. But I've been watching some of your videos. Just saying that drag car, that thing's wicked. If you ever get out to Vegas way to race, let me know. I'll show up for sure. Anyway, link in the description to Glenn's channel. Go check him out. He's a good old boy that drives a nostalgia dragster, front engine dragster. It's pretty cool. So, till next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry. Have a splendid day. Talk to you later. Need a nap. Holy.